channel. My name is Stacey Flowers and I am super excited to be chatting with you this very early morning. It's still dark outside because today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my vegetable broth from veggie scraps. So if you're interested in that, please keep watching. So the first thing is, if you guys would have watched my grocery haul and my meal prep, you would have seen that I created all of these scraps from the groceries that I purchased the previous month. So as you can see, I started out with the frozen vegetable scraps that I've made over the last 2.5–3 weeks from my grocery haul before. What I do is take them out of the freezer and let them thaw for maybe about 30 minutes to an hour, just so it's a little easier to pull them out of the jar. I dump all of the scraps, seeds and everything right inside of a large boiling pot. After I put the scraps in there, I cover the scraps with water, and then I season it with a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, like a pinch, just a tiny bit of salt, and then also a couple of bay leaves. And then I set this on boil and I let it boil for about 30 to 45 minutes. After it's done boiling, I let it cool for a couple of hours and then I pour it into my jars. Now, unfortunately, oh my God, this is terrible. Well, I don't have a strainer yet, so I was trying to do this out of parchment paper and that was an epic fail, but that's okay. I'm still gonna try to strain it and pour this all out. This is very cool, so it's only just making everything sticky, but that's totally fine. Any hoodle, pour that out and just strain it. You can see that it has a nice rich color to it, and then I transfer it to my mason jars. Again, unfortunately, I don't have my quart jars yet, so I'm filling up this large gallon jar, which I'm gonna place in the refrigerator. This broth can last in the refrigerator for 4 days, and then I'm filling up a couple of pint glasses, which will make it easier for me to toss into smaller sloops or just flavor things. And then I'm also going to make some vegetable broth ice cubes, so that way I can toss in if I need to make a gravy or if I need to just make something really quick and I just need a little bit of broth. And what I'll do once I buy my quart size mason jars is I'll transfer what I have here in the gallon into a couple of quarts, and that's it. So that is how I make my vegetable broth from scraps, and you literally can use any vegetable scraps that you have on hand and boil them over water. Is that not the most amazing thing in all the land? I'm excited because now this means I never have to buy broth again. I literally can just make it at home, unless of course I want the chicken and other flavors, but I'm fine to do without those, just so that I can honor my budget. So I'm so happy to be sharing that with you all today. As always, thank you so much for supporting my work. I deeply appreciate you. I love every single one of you guys, and I look forward to talking to you in the very next video. Bye.